In this video, I'm going to show you on how to earn $4.4 every day. This is Yostar app, and I've made a previous video about this application. You can go back to that video and watch it to the end. For those of you that are joining for the first time, if you want to register this app, you can go to the previous video and watch it. It's for beginners, so that you will not miss your newbie tax. That is what that video is for, so you can go back and watch it. So for those of you that have already joined and you want to level up your tax, this video is for you. So now in this video, I'm going to talk about this particular level. So this application has different levels. For this level, L is 1000, which is I'm in currently. This is my second account, my new second account. So now the level K is 25,000 diamond per hour. So if you do 2 hours, you'll be earning 45,000 diamond. I mean, when you recharge up to 25,000 diamond, you'll be earning 1,240. But if you don't recharge, you'll be earning 1,000. But now for this particular video, I'm only focusing on level L, on level G, sorry, this level G and F, particularly level G. So now this level G is you have to receive 700,000 diamond, which is 22,000 diamond every hour. For 2 hours, you'll be earning 44,000 diamond. Now once you are earning 44,000 diamond per day, that 44,000 diamond is equivalent to $4.4. So if you calculate $4.4 for times 30 days, let's say for 7 days, you know how much it will be depending on your dollar rate for that day. So now that is what this application is for, but it's all about investment too. Yes, you are going to buy diamond, and it's also self-gifting, so you don't need to be looking for somebody that you do exchange with. You gift yourself, and you are also going to play games just for you to double your coins. You play games. Once you play your games, and you are also going to exchange as well. If you play games, the coins that you bought will double. That is the benefit of playing games. If you don't know how to play the games, I would also drop my channel link in the description box so that you join my channel. I'll be giving you guys updates. You also send me your app ID as well, so that we'll all be in a panel and we'll all play the games together. If you are interested, then I'm also going to show you in this video coin list, the list amount of coins that you can afford to buy to earn the 700,000 diamond a day and getting that $4.4 per day. I will show you the coin price list as well at the end of this video, so stick around and watch this video to the end so that you will understand what I'm about to show you. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So I want to quickly show you this new level in this Yostar application on how you are going to be earning $4.4 every day. Now if you calculate that 4.4 times 30, which is 30 days or 31 days, that should be like 132. 700,000 coins for 22,000 reward hourly. So don't dull yourself, guys. Invest. This is where you should be investing your money, because they are not going to like disappoint you. You do your tax every day here. Even when you've recovered your money, they still tax for you. Here is the amount of diamond that will give you that $4.4 every day, and you are going to spend 120 minutes, which is 2 hours. That is 22,000 diamond for 1 hour, another 22,000 diamond for 2 hours. One is for level G. You have to recharge 600k or 700k coins, depends on how you play games, to get additional 400k coins or 300k coins, making it 1 million coins in total. Then gift yourself to get 700k diamond. Then do your tax of 7 days. to get 44,000, which is the normal tax I showed you earlier, times 7 days. That is 308,000 diamond. So the cost of 600k coins, which is 600k times 10k, which is 1,700, is equals to 102,000. Then the cost of 700k coins, 700k times 1,700 is 19,000. So now this is the main salary that you are going to get. The 700k coin plus 308,000 of your normal tax. Remember, you are going to get 700k coins on your own. Then, and you're also going to do your tax. The total number of that 22,000 tax per day is, in 7 days, gives you 308,000. Add it with your 700k coins, that is 1.8 million. Times 10k, which is $100. So now calculate it in dollar rate. $108 times 1,460, which is dollar rate, depending on your dollar rate. So if the dollar rate is up to like 1.5, have it in mind that the money will increase. That is equals to 147,168. That is your total amount. So now calculate your money, your gain, the profit, and your main money. Let's see how much you're going to gain inside. So now 147,168 minus 102,000, which is your main money. Now you're going to, your profit is 45,000 naira. Your profit of 45,000 is when you recharge 600k coins. Now the next one is 147,000 minus 190,000, 28k profit if you recharge 700k coins. So just imagine you do this repeatedly every week and you're gaining up to this amount of money in a week. You are making so much money. At the end of the month, you'll be cashing out big, making up to like 200k in a month, a profit alone. So another thing is, I'm going to tell you that you will not just recharge and exchange. You have to play games, because that games you're playing will multiply. Like you get extra coins to make exchange. So when you play game, you are getting extra coins. And if you're interested in this, to play the game so that you get extra coin, I will add it to my WhatsApp group. Like I will send my channel in the description box. You are going to join, and so that when you register, I will teach you guys how to play the games. So now this is how it works. If you don't understand, you can actually watch this video again, and you can also send in the comment section anything you don't understand. I will still explain more to you, but make sure you watch this video to the end, and don't forget to subscribe, like it. Now this is the price list for Yostarlive app. So you can just get as low as 1,700 naira for 10,000 coins. Now for those that want to be earning $4 every day, you need to recharge 400,000 coins, which is 68,000 naira. With that 400,000 coins, you will get up to $4 every day tax. Every day $4. So if you calculate it, you see that the money that you are spending for the coin, you are going to get it back in double. So this is the amount for a $4 daily tax in Yostarlive application. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.